Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy homemade pickles, step by step. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients, like crisp cucumbers, vinegar, and a selection of spices. Next, we'll prepare our canning jars, making sure they are perfectly clean and ready. Then, we'll slice our cucumbers and begin packing them snugly into the jars, setting the stage for delicious results. Now, let's craft the heart of our pickles. The brine. You'll want to combine 1 part vinegar with 1 part water in a saucepan. For every cup of this liquid, add about 1 tablespoon of pickling salt. This ratio ensures perfect seasoning. Feel free to customize with your favorite spices, perhaps some fresh dill, a few garlic cloves, or a pinch of mustard seeds for extra zest. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer. With your brine simmering, it's time to pack those jars. Arrange your cucumber slices or spears tightly, either vertically or horizontally, to maximize space. Now, add your chosen aromatics directly into each jar. Think fresh dill sprigs, a couple of garlic cloves, and perhaps 10 to 15 peppercorns. Finally, carefully pour the hot brine over the cucumbers, ensuring you leave about 1/2 inch of headspace at the top of each jar. Almost done. Securely place the lids and rings onto your filled jars, tightening them just enough to create a good seal. Let the jars cool completely on your countertop. This can take several hours. Once cool, transfer them to the refrigerator for storage. While it's tempting, try to wait at least 2 full days for the flavors to fully meld and develop. Then, your delicious homemade pickles are ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.